I know I've been a little quiet lately, but there's a huge reason which I'll tell you about shortly. We are almost at 100,000 subscribers, and to celebrate, I'm giving away something really special. Welcome back to The Stylish Maker. My name is Carol. I'm really excited today. I can hardly believe that I'm saying this, but we are almost at 100,000 subscribers. Yay! I just want to say that I am so grateful for every single one of you who has watched, commented, shared, and joined this community. You've helped turn this channel into something really special, and I honestly cannot thank you enough. I also want to give a little apology. I know I've been a bit quiet over the last couple of months. The reason is that I've been closing down my store, Affordable Jewellery Supplies, and as you can see from the shelves behind me, looking a little bare, the closing down sale took a lot more time and energy than I thought it would, and my YouTube videos just slipped a little bit because of it. But now the store is closed and things are settling down, and I'm so excited to get back into creating content for you, because this is the reason I closed the store, so I could bring you more free content on YouTube and concentrate on building my amazing membership community. To celebrate hitting 100,000 subscribers, which I still can't believe, I am doing something super exciting. I'm giving away 3 6-month Style Junkie memberships to the Style Makers Network, a place where you can connect, learn, and grow your creativity and your crafting skills. 3 lucky winners will get full access for 6 whole months. I'll talk about how to enter in a moment, but first I want to tell you about some exciting things that I've been working on that will be coming up soon. I know that you all love a good techniques video, so I've been working on 1 or 2. My updated version of all things wire wrapped loops is coming up, as is my holiday gift guide for jewellery makers. That's the one you send to your loved one, wink wink. I've also got another beginner video coming up, and I'm currently working on my jewellery trends for 2026. So exciting things are coming up and a good reason to subscribe. So here's how to enter the competition. It's super simple, but make sure you do follow all the steps. First, subscribe to my channel, and I know you've already done that, right? Second, sign up for my newsletter using the link in the description below, and make sure you include your YouTube handle in the sign up form so that we can verify your entry. And third, comment on this video letting me know that you've subscribed and signed up. And that's it. Follow all of these steps and you'll be entered in the draw. All the terms are down in the description box. The giveaway closes on December 15th, New Zealand time, and winners will be drawn on the 16th of December and notified via email. After I draw the winners, I'll list their YouTube handles in the description of this video so you can see who won and know that this is legit. I don't want anyone to fall victim to scammers, and I want you all to know that I am honest and will be making the draw and providing winners with the prizes. Because this is international, anyone can enter, but just a heads up that the Style Makers Network is primarily English speaking, so participants should be comfortable reading and interacting in English to get the most out of their membership. Now, rest assured, I won't be doing anything disreputable with your information that I'm collecting. I will use it to verify your entry and contact the winners. After the competition has ended, you will still be on my mailing list, so I can keep you updated with future videos, announcements, and newsletters, etc. This is free and there's no obligation, so you can unsubscribe at any time and your information will be stored securely. If you win, I will also use your information to enroll you in the Style Makers Network so you can collect your prize. Just so you know, this giveaway is run by me and isn't affiliated in any way with YouTube. So make sure you go and do those things so you can enter. I just want to reiterate that I am so thankful for this community and how it's grown. It is well beyond my expectations. When I started making videos, and they were really bad videos, back in 2020, I had no expectation of even getting any views, and here we are. This is such a supportive and amazing group of people, and I really, really appreciate you all. I appreciate all your wonderful comments and the questions that you ask, because it helps me to bring more relevant content to you. And hey, even if you don't win, you can still sign up for a Style Junkie membership at any time and enjoy all the benefits, the community, the resources, and the fun. I'm so excited to celebrate this milestone with you, and I cannot wait to welcome 3 new Style Junkies into the community. Thank you again for your support and patience while I've been a bit absent, and for helping this channel grow. Let's get ready to hit 100,000 subscribers together, and I can't wait to see all your entries. Good luck, have an amazing day, and I'll see you again soon soon with some new tutorials.